Let's go to page 24, and this is section 3.3. This section is on solving two equations with two variables. So there are two basic methods. One is using the substitution method, and the other one is using elimination method. So let's go over some examples. So let's go to example 3-5. So you have two equations. You have 2x plus 3y equal to -1. You got 3x minus 4y equal to 7. So when two equations are similar, it's better to go and use the elimination method. And so you want to go and make one of them opposite. So you have to decide which variable you want to eliminate. So I'm going to eliminate the x since it's lower coefficient. So I need to go and get into the least common multiples, 2 and 3. So I need to get into 6. So I'm going to multiply this by -3, and I'm going to multiply this by 2. So that way I get 6. I get -6. Okay. So multiply by 2. Okay, so again, you want to make them opposite. So that way, when you put underneath, you were able to cancel out. So put this down here. And then you go and add. So this cancel out. So you get -17y equal to 17. Divide by -17. So you got y equal to 1. And once you find y equal to 1, you can substitute into any one of the equation to solve for x. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here. So use this equation down here. So I got 2x plus 3, substitute. So again, whenever you substitute, put in parentheses, and I'm going to -3 on each side. So I got 2x is equal to -4, divided by 2, divided by 2. So I got x equal to -2. Okay. And let's go to example 3-6. Example 3-6, solve the system of equations. So you got 2x minus 4y equal to 7. You got x minus 2y equal to 2. So you can look at the equation. So if they are similar, usually it's easier if you use the elimination method. Okay, so they look similar. So I'm going to eliminate now. The x has lower coefficient, so I'm going to eliminate the x. So I'm going to make this opposite to that. So I'm going to multiply by -2. So I got -2x plus 4y equal to -4. I'm going to put it in here. So I got -2x plus 4y equal to -4. Now when I add, I got 0 equal to 3. Okay, so this is always false. So that means no matter what x and y the values are, it always false. So this way, so that means there will be no solution. Okay, let's go to example 3-7. So you have 2x minus 2y equal to 6. You got x minus y equal to 3. Okay, now instead of multiply, you also can divide to make them the opposite. Okay, so that's another option. So if let's go and divide by 2 to lower the number. So divide by 2. So I got x minus y equal to 3. Now notice you got two identical equations, so that means you're not going to be able to solve. Okay, so you have infinite number of answers. So in this case, you have infinite number of answers. Okay, so they are dependent. Okay. Let's go to, so again, if you want to go further, then what you do, you put under here, and then you subtract. You're going to get 0 equal to 0, which is always true. So that means, so this is true. So that means no matter what x and y are, they are always true. So they have infinite many number of solutions. Okay, let's go to example 3-8. So you have 2x equal to 2y minus 4y, and you got 2y equal to 2 plus x. So the equation look kind of weird. So what you want to do is, they look different, so that's going to use substitution method. So that's dividing by 2. So you got x equal to y minus 2, then you can go and substitute into here. So you got 2y equal to 2 plus, again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. So x is y minus 2. So in this case, you got 2y equal to y. Okay, so go ahead and minus y on each side. So you got y is equal to 0. Now don't panic when you see 0. 0 is just another number, right? So you got y equal to 0. Now solve for x. You can put it back over here to solve. So substitute. So x equal to 0 minus 2. So x is equal to negative 2. And if you notice, they want you to find in the order pair, right? So instead of box like that, you want to put negative 2 comma 0. Okay, so kind of pay attention to what they're asking for. Okay, let's go to example 3-9. You have 2 square root of x plus 4 square root of y equal to 10. You got 2 square root of x minus 3 square root of y equal to 3. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's go and solve for square root of x and square root of y before we solve for x and y. Okay, so I'm going to times this by negative 1. So that make the coefficient of the square root of x opposite. So I got negative 2 square root of x plus 3 square root of y is equal to negative 3. And I'm going to put this down here. So I got 2 square root of x plus 4 square root of y equal to 10. So this cancel out. So I got 7 square root of y equal to 7. Divide by 7, divide by 7. So I got square root of y equal to 1. Now I can go square both sides. Square both sides, so y equal to 1. Okay. Now after I solve for y, now I can solve for x. Okay. So I'm going to use this one here. So I got 2 square root of x plus 4 square root of 1 equal to 10. So 2 square root of x plus 4 equal to 10. Minus 4 on each side. So 2 square root of x equal to 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. So square root of x equal to 3. Then square both sides. So x equal to 9. So the answer I'm looking for would be 9 comma 1. Okay. So again, when you see the square root, don't panic. Okay, just apply elimination method and substitution method. Depends on what you have, and just go through the steps and solve it.